Hello everybody. Today, I'm bringing you a tutorial and overview of TwainGPT, one of the biggest tools in the AI Humanizer space. TwainGPT rewrites AI-generated content to sound more natural, human-like, and less robotic, with claims of bypassing AI detectors. TwainGPT is trusted by over 2.3 million users and includes an AI Humanizer, AI Detector, and writing generator. Let's explore their landing page to discover more about TwainGPT. It's trusted by top writers everywhere, including institutions like the University of Pennsylvania, Princeton University, Google, and many others worldwide. TwainGPT is designed for everyone, whether you're a student, writer, marketer, or blogger. It's built to humanize AI-generated text. Now, you might wonder, why TwainGPT? TwainGPT features an advanced AI humanizer, known for being the most effective, advanced, and consistent on the market. TwainGPT's humanizer provides native-level authenticity in over 100 languages and offers a seamless mobile experience, fully optimized for mobile devices. With TwainGPT, you can humanize text and bypass GPTZero, Quillbot, ZeroGPT, Turnitin, and more. As for pricing, we'll get into that later in the video. Let's get started. Now that we're on the app, you can see that their dashboard includes 3 products: the Humanizer, AI Detector, and Writing Generator. We'll begin with TwainGPT's AI Humanizer. TwainGPT offers 3 different writing levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. For this demonstration, we'll select intermediate. Intermediate is their default setting. As mentioned before, they provide over 100 languages to choose from. I've already generated a paragraph about water for this test. Let's take this paragraph and paste it into the TwainGPT Humanizer, then click Humanize. In just seconds, TwainGPT transformed the text into 100% human. We'll verify this with 4 major AI detectors: GPTZero, ZeroGPT, Grammarly, and Quillbot. Let's start with GPTZero. GPTZero reports that the text is 91% human and 9% AI, suggesting it is fully human. Moving on to ZeroGPT, it confirms the text is 0% AI and entirely human written. Grammarly indicates that 0% of the text appears AI generated. Finally, Quillbot also confirms the text is 0% AI generated. These are 4 zeros from the most trusted and largest AI detectors on the market. We can also verify this with TwainGPT's AI Detector, which confirms it is 0% AI on their platform, which is impressive. Now let's test the TwainGPT AI Detector. We'll start with the ChatGPT sample provided, which should be fully AI. As expected, it's identified as 100% AI. This result is consistent with the claims so far. Next, let's test their Claude sample, another popular LLM. We'll scan for AI. Once again, it's detected as 100% AI. I appreciate how they highlight each sentence identified as AI. You can hide this feature if you prefer, but it's useful to have. Now let's test a human text by scanning for AI. It shows 0% AI. This is once again an accurate result. Let's now try a text that is a mix of AI and human writing. AI detectors often struggle with these, so I'm curious to see how TwainGPT's AI detector performs. Let's scan for AI now. It shows 51%, which is accurate considering that half of this text is AI generated and half is human written. This accuracy places TwainGPT's AI detector among the most precise I've tested. Overall, their AI detector proves to be accurate, reliable, and consistent based on these tests. Another feature worth mentioning is their writing generator, where you can select an essay type. We'll choose General for this example and decide on the number of paragraphs we want to generate. Let's go with 3. We'll set our writing level to intermediate again and select a language. Using the prompt about water, we'll generate the topics. We'll select 3 topics: the importance of clean drinking water, water pollution, and the cultural significance of water. Let's generate the essay. TwainGPT indicates the essay is 100% AI generated. We'll click Humanize to see the final result. In seconds, it becomes 100% human. This result is impressive. We can also view a split of each paragraph, all 100% human, adding to the comprehensive view. It's a nice feature, but their main products remain the Humanizer and AI Detector. Let's discuss their pricing. Currently, I'm on the Ultimate plan, which offers unlimited Humanizer words, unlimited AI Detector uses, unlimited generator uses, and includes watermark and future-proofing and priority support. Their plans start from $10 a month, offering 8,000 Humanizer words, 100 AI Detector uses, and 50 generator uses, with watermark and future-proofing. The premium plan costs $25 a month and includes 30,000 Humanizer words, 500 AI Detector uses, and 200 generator uses. It also offers watermark, future-proofing, and priority support. There are plans for every price point, making it flexible for users. For a discount, you can opt for annual billing if you plan to stick with TwainGPT longer. The prices are $8, $20, and $40 per month, billed yearly, with the specific annual cost detailed below each plan. TwainGPT also provides language options for their UI, allowing you to switch to languages like Spanish, French, or German, among others. This is especially beneficial for non-English. Overall, TwainGPT is user-friendly, intuitive, and effective, with no complicated setup needed. It's simple to use, fast, and delivers strong results. I highly recommend this tool for anyone looking for an AI humanizer, as TwainGPT stands out as one of the best options available.